I told this morning, just a brief before the initiation, Taje or Shukden. So, I want to read this, what I sent to one of the members of Amitabha Buddhist Center in Singapore. Fred, now he retired. He retired early. He resigned, but before he was commandant. In official officer in special forces. Special forces. To make the world not round but flat, and to make the world wrong like this, and to make the world a triangle shape in 1 second. To not have world, to not have world. I'm joking. Anyway, so this not the very beginning. The main person there. So he was army, and he was giving talk to the armies. I think it was 1,000 armies. So during those 1 month, his main talk is compassion. His main talk is compassion to the army. So I think after 1 month, one Punjabi Sikh man came. Oh, you're talking about compassion. Conclusion, he realized that he was talking, his talk was compassion. So he came up to tell Fred that. And then also during the army, during the army is walk and stop, many exercise. So while he was stopping, this and that, just a little bit. That during that time, he does his commitment. He received many initiation, so he does his commitment while he was standing, because he had to stop a little bit by standing during the army practice. So he was doing his commitment during that time. So that's very worthwhile. That's what he told me. So he is the main person, liberated animal, 100 million. Last 3 years, last few years, I think, and then second 100 million nearly to finish. Second time 100 million, saving the lives of animals, liberating. So what we do here at FMT in the organization, I made one small book, How to Save the Lives, Liberate the Animals' Life. Then and also maybe in Taiwan or a long time ago on the book cover, there was different people, different countries, and then in front other people who kind of vegetarian or to abandon to stop harm to the animal, who liberated the animals. So there were fish jumping from the water, and fish jumping from the water, being happy to show, happy to say thank you. And the different animals around saying thank you. So there's a book, there's a new book, and it has it was somebody that tried to expand that drawing. So the so I don't remember what I told before. Then immediately you see what I was thinking about the small frogs, all kinds of small animals, birds, the shell animals, full of sack, one big sack, So first thing, different people hold that in circumambulate as ideas as much as possible. So each circumambulation, in the plastic bag is 1,000 crickets. In the plastic bag, 1,000 crickets, not full. Plastic like that, this much, 1,000 crickets. It's very cheap, this much, not full. So, as you take, there are many stupa, many stupa, and many stupa and the statue, and there's a Ganju, Tenju, there's Lama Tsongkhapa class and Lama Tsongkhapa teachings, they're meeting around, so people carry around. For example, you carry this around, you take around, and then you see one circumambulation. So it's one circumambulation, but there are many stupas and tattas and scriptures and many things inside. So you circumambulate one, but actually circumambulate so many tattas and scriptures and statues what's inside, you see. Yes. So not just one holy object, but many holy objects. So one circumambulation, but if there's 100,000 holy objects inside, so you see, it becomes 100,000 kind of like circumambulation to the holy object. There's 100,000 holy objects inside. So it's like that. So it. So one round, one circle. So the plants are seed in their mind, in all those crickets, 1,000 crickets, one plastic bag. Also plant seed to achieve enlightenment, not only to be free from oceans of samsara suffering, but the plant seed of to achieve Buddhahood, the omniscient mind. the total elimination of all the gross and subtle obscurations, and besides suffering, the completion of all the realizations. So there's 100,000 holy objects, and then it become 100,000 circumambulation to the holy object. So that. So then here you see 1,000, for example. So everyone got benefited. So has got that benefit, and so like that. So then later. Then stop chant mantras. Amani Bemu Hung, of course, men, then Manmala. There are different mantras, very powerful for purification. Milarepa's mantra and so forth there resides. Then blow on the bucket full of water. It would blow water after reciting the mantra. And then the blessed water, then you pour over the sack of the shell animals, small shell animals. So you pour water, they all get purified, or the water goes down. So the water, you throw water, but sea animals, you pour, the birds, they spring the water, so that. Then you have a truck, big truck, has big fish inside, the oxygen or something like that. So big fish. And then you put the water, blessed water, in truck. So I think either there or other places, or Kapan, Aptos. So Aptos, Washington, and Aptos. There's the bucket has the bucket, water. What do you call that container? Jug full of water. So I have 2-3 to normally to. Since I have to chant mantra, so I blow certain mantras, not all the mantras, but certain mantras. Mostly Omani Pema maybe 2,000 in this when I can. So I passed 1,000. So then the other mantras. So you blow. So, because so they are there, though the Washington and Aptos, the worms where the people buy from supermarket for catching the fish. Those worms, and they put needles like this, and then and then they not dead, then they move it and catch the fish. So by, 300, 400, or it depends on, sometimes that number doesn't stay. So the mantra water is used to put on them. So anyway, then we take them around Stubach, backside of the house, I have that stupa is not the normal et stupa, not Galatia stupa, but it's a kind of lip-like Barbadu, that shape, kind of lip like that shape. but it's, of course, not that much big, but small. Then we take it around. It's a very nice shape. So we put on top big Kadamba stupa, maybe the size of this table, maybe it's length, very big. On top, goldly painted and like that. And then there are smaller Kadamba stupa, gold painted, and also Medicine statues around, and also small Kadamba stupas called, and they all have a mantra, not empty. They all have not empty and not just only earth inside, but we have a mantra, the same statue with different mantras fill up, very, very powerful. That way also incredible, unbelievable merits, qualities and purification, the pacifying, increasing, controlling, that's all everything there. All the actions and different actions, so they succeed. So, then also the small, I think Michuba statue. Also we have Tata, so Michuba is small Tata. That's the very beautiful one. That is my first Tata. I go to, in Austria, the very first time, the nun Barney, who was, when we started Tara House, Melbourne, so we were there to give to the cause. So Lama gave a job to Barney, to Tara House to work. Then all this, I don't know, Messianic or all this, Barney was, anyway, I don't know whether she was very first or second. Barney gave, this is my first Sata. Very beautiful hands and everything. So kind of very loving, very beautiful. Not skinny. Sometimes people make skinny. All kinds. Sometimes too fat, sometimes too skinny. And then kind of proportions and not good. So which creates karma, themselves to be reborn like that, skinny for many lifetimes, not even good proportion. So anyway, this small one, this size, then small one, pool on the end, on the edge, there's 3 levels, 4 levels, up there. The throne, then there are 3 levels, I think. Then the small Michuba all lined up on the edge, on the edge. So whatever maybe nowadays it could be a long time, so it came off. So that's beginning. After some time, Raja said we need a dog. We should have a dog. Then I think the message went to Bajapani, and so one girl need to go to Mexico and New Mexico, all to Mexico, I'm not sure. So she had a dog. So she needed to leave the dog, so looking for somebody. So Bajapani said that we might, need dog. So she brought the dog to us, and called her Omani Pemehum. Her name is Omani Pemehum. But I think normally people call Mani Peme or Omani. Not Mani Peme, Omani Peme, not completely Omani. So to lead the positive imprint each time for the dog, the Om Mani Padme Hum, seed of enlightenment on the mind, on the mental continuum. So dog's level Om Mani Padme Hum, a complete mantra. But the later people Om Mani, Om Mani, Om Mani. So anyway, so then I said, well, if you keep a dog, animal keeping in the Buddhist people's hand, then must the rebirth must be good, not reborn Lord realms, not let go Lord realms, but to go in the higher birth, Deva human being. Of course, Pure Land, Deva human being higher birth. So the animal in Buddhist people's hand die, then should have good rebirth. So should cause good rebirth. So so build stupa. I said need to build a stupa. So backside the house for the dog to go round. So my idea is, everybody take the dog around stupa every day, and including myself. Annette cook, she did every day round, but others maybe sometimes maybe not. So I did what I thought. I didn't get done exactly what I thought, but I did sometimes when I go around. And anyway, so it went around so many times, the dog, around Stupa. The Om Mani Padme Hum. So not sure. The dog bitten people getting on top of there, and getting on top of the bite, and then Maximum and who else? Maximum Karuna and oh, so Jeremy. So giant pet the mouth. And so anyway, so we did try to benefit the dog to purify Nikritama. So he died 1 hour away, but the dog was kept 3 days. So they only kept the dog 3 days without touching, and he was like sleeping. He died, but he was like sleeping. Same as the person who was in the meditation or like, I think probably normally positive, very positive, no change on the face, the same as alive. There's a person very peaceful face and no sadness, no any sign, kind of ugly, face signs, not like that. So like the person very, kind of, how to say, like some living face, very peaceful. So like maybe somebody who is in meditation or some, I don't know, something like that. So he was peaceful, like sleeping. Nothing shapes in different mouths and like that. So then after 3 days, then the bodhicitta came out from the down below, and then the blood came from here. Same thing that happens for the human being. So that human beings who didn't have chronic disease or something, then the blood come out, blood, sperm, then blood from those. For the women, I think sperm here, blood from down there. So after 3 days, he slept, and then this thing happened to him. So like that, very peaceful. kind of face. What's that? Now we have the Pamjepa Anichambas dog. She's a Lama Tsongkhapa Institute. Been starting mass program. So our dog, we have our dog, Uma, middle way. Uma is impossible. Even as even thief comes, one bite. Even thief comes, one bite will move the tail like this. So welcome to everybody. Anybody comes, especially give any food. So, and then say, Washington at 3 weeks, every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Every week, Washington touching the monk, he buy from markets and so on, supermarkets, and then liberate the inside. There's many holy objects. So circumambulate and then put outside. So when you put in the ground, the bird, if there's a bird, they see, then they dig up. It's warm, I heard. I didn't see, but I heard. They see, then they come dig the earth, and then they eat the worms. I heard. So unbelievable, the karma of the worms. Wow. Even somebody trying to help, then still somebody eat, the birds eat. So this, so Fred, what he did, finished 100 million lives and liberated the animal, and then the second is about to finish, second 100 million. About it's probably in the world the greatest number of liberating animal. I think I'm not sure, but in the long time ago, when I was in Taiwan, I met a monk who helped Sarah Che. What's his name? The monk, the Chinese monk master. What? Hato. So he did 8 million, liberated 8 million. So Taiwanese government was concerned what he was doing, why he was doing this. I heard one particular sheep, particular fish, that it doesn't eat other animals, and he liberated that. Anyway, the Taiwanese government came to ask him the question to check, because it's a very large number. But our Taiwanese government didn't know the ABC. Does ABC? Anyway, so then Washington. I went on the hill, and then I found 2 ants' nests. So I made a tsamba. There's a text how to make charity to the ants. There's a text. Tsamba mixed with not much. Zamba mix butter and sugar, sugar and not cheese, sugar and like that, sugar, corporate sugar, and then chant many mantra, blow, bless. You see, that's the most powerful one. So they purify them, not only eating, but not only to stop their present suffering, but they hunger, but purify their negative karma and they get higher birth by chanting mantra Zamba or they eat. So then I took that Zamba and sprinkled on the ant nest, and I like that. But Tachin, the monk from Nalanda, told me that there's several, I don't know, 7 or several ant nests around there. So he found more. So he gave charity. I told him to give charity. He should recite. Before just for me, then I told him must recite because you have a commitment to recite mantra. So they dissolve. Then you blow, bless the water. When you recite mantra, blow the water. And the Zamba, and then they blow the water for the worms and those, you see, to purify. But ants, Zamba, Zamba with the sugar and all that mix, and then white, not wet, but dry. So, and then, you mantras, you blow the mantra. By the time mantra, then you sprinkle over the nest. So he says the ants kind of enjoy the Zamba. So he put all the other nest he found. So I told him to do every week or something to that. Charity to the ants. So third benefit is that you chant mantra loudly. So those who can hear mantra, it plants seed of enlightenment in their mind. So 3 ways to benefit to the mother sentient being, your mother, your kind mother sentient beings. So from whom all your past beginningless time, your beginningless happiness, all the collections of goodness and present and future, including your enlightenment and Buddhahood, every single thing, realizations of part, everything from where it comes. So and they are the one, they are from whom, whose kindness, then you receive all that. So this time to offer service to the trying to offer service, even though sentient beings. So he does very well. Always no change, very well, and because and I think I don't remember if that mentioned or not this time. So we have a large Namjalma mantra, Namjalma, long life, and this unbelievable powerful purification. So if you recite the Namjalma mantra, you hear Namjalma mantra, you never get, even you hear, never get reborn origins. And so reciting, no question. And so we have from Singapore a big board carved Namjalma mantra very nice, beautifully. And then Peter, he made He met the large one. Yeah, he met. I have another one from Singapore, and then very beautiful decorations around. So this to put the ocean. I have a different kinds, different shapes, and so we have a Michugo mantras and strippers to put in the water. So sometimes to go on the bridge, then we put in the ocean. Suppose there's more people than one mala on the Bama, then you put this in the water to bless the water. Not only bless. Purpose of our blessing is so that all numberless sentient beings in the water, large like mountains, wild like mountains, small that you can't see with the eyes but with machines. So numberless beings, you see the fish, small fish, this much small fish, millions, I don't know, millions, going so fast, all grouped together. I don't know how they manage. Then, of course, when they meet shark, then it's completely calm. So they get scared. So all these small fish all get together. They become small, like the ball, So they're actually scared. So that's the only way to try to protect themselves. Then they're not making themselves small, so easy to go in the mouth of a shark. Know that. So before they will lose, and then they go together. So when the shark comes in, they go together. They're scared. So then there's no way to escape one. So this is what they do. Everybody can do together. So then shark, it's so easy for shark like this, in the mouth, so easy. So like that, it's calmer, like that. For those fish, due to fear, but then it becomes easy for shark to eat. So anyway, each kind of numberless. So not only blessing water, purify all those sentient beings, naked karma, collected from beginning birth, and get a higher birth, even not get from pure land, but get a higher perfect image birth, and to meet Dharma again. To get perfect image birth, and to get to meet Dharma, and then practice Dharma to find perfect virtue, friend, and then to achieve enlightenment slowly, then to achieve enlightenment, to complete path in the next life. So sometimes take the monks take the mantra in the water, ocean, or mostly the bridge. So like that. So later, later, I hope that mainland China or Taiwan to be able to build prayer will have in the water, have upside, so to bless the water, to purify all the animals and to get higher birth and to meet Dharma. So China or Taiwan, so to be able to make like that, so to help the animals, hoping like that. Yeah, I think so I was talking about Fred, and so he became a monk. He resigned and became a monk. He was one of the active members of ABC. So I wrote this letter not the beginning part of this. Or if you are making charity to others, then suddenly causes to arise miserliness and blocks the virtue to not create charity and so forth. Because evil lodges the reason. Because evil lodges guardian one, so because evil being, evil lords guardian one, who has 4 worldly guardians, they shoot the 5 arrows of delusion to us, the practitioners, trying to practice Dhamma, who are trying to practice Dhamma. This causes anger, makes fight, causes sleeping, ignorance, and distraction in desirable objects, attachment to objects, and especially and specifically attachment. Unbelievable attachment get so attached. It changes recognition. It changes recognition, become attached to sex, like that, so harmful to those who have taken ordination, renouncing the household life. Even in the dream, they manifest the evil lotus guardians and these worldly, 4 worldly guardians. So this high beauty, it's called high beauty, the Mara, Devasan Mara. Even the dream, they manifest as women, and makes to lose the sperm makes morality impure and degenerated. Then also so much attachment. In food and drink, in songs and dance and so forth. In so many ways harms, degenerates morality. And this is due to the 4 maras. Harm give 4 mara of delusion, mara of lot of death, and the mara of aggregate. I think mara of aggregates. I think one mara there. Mara of delusion, mara of death. I think one is mara of aggregates. So 3, and 4, the mara, the deva's son. So the Buddha's arm, this arm, like that, the signifies pacified. Buddha doesn't receive harm from Mara Deva's son. So this earth, this finger touch on the I think sun disk, like this. So this having destroyed the hybrid Mara of the Deva's son. So then the mudra of concentration, having destroyed the Mara of delusion, and the Mara of lordred, the begging bowl is full of nectar. Having destroyed the Mara of lord of death. Then I think also I think Mara aggregates. Mara aggregates. I think maybe the begging bowl. I'm not sure. That also like that. So many ways harm, degenerates, morality. This is due to the four maras, harm givers, takers of your life. Send disease and cause many harms, making ugly sounds that frighten the meditators or show ugly form to the meditators. Sometimes also they show as Buddha. It is said in the teachings. In the Pavangas commentary, extensive commentary on the Guru Devotion, I copied, and so that one said that. Sometimes also Maras they show as Buddha. They're not Buddha, but they show to teach, to harm to who's trying to practice, trying to, or then to harm, then they manifest Buddha as Buddha. Having science and exemplifications makes to arise pride. Then you have this vision, and then, I've seen Buddha. Then you get so much pride, instead of reducing delusion, then develop the delusion. In Tibetan language, lom sem, disturbing this way, so have to protect our mind. Then the action of body speech gets protected. Buddha said in Patimokkha Sutra, because he just became monk not so long ago. Buddha said in Patimokkha Sutra, degenerating the morality, you lose 100 lifetimes human rebirth. Experiences great fall. This means lower rebirth, even hell in the Narak realms. Narak means hell realms. Of course, so much benefit is also mentioned, such as you meet Buddha. Morality is like water, cooling the suffering, and so forth. Morality is what purifies past negative karma. It is creating the foundation for being reborn as human being, and the foundation of rebirth in the blissful state of peace, nirvana. And because the three higher training are fundamental paths to nirvana, and the higher training of the morality is the first one. The second one is the higher training of the meditation, and the third higher training of the wisdom. So it is the basis for compassion and bodhicitta to achieve the enlightenment. And then next to free the numberless sentient beings from the oceans of samsara suffering, bring them in full omniscient mind. And this is the ultimate purpose of life. Thank you. With much love and prayer. Crazy. So anyway, so they so the four maras, so that's how harm to us and destroy that we're trying to pure or trying to even practice charity or morality or so many things. You see, they try to interfere. They show us, they manifest as they manifest as Buddha. They do that also, the demons, and to harm us, the practitioner, try to be good. And so So now, see, the shooting, not like that. You understand. If I this is what I said in the teachings. So I give you a background. The Maharaj harm you like that. You have to really understand it. Then sometimes beginning people you believe in that, then later then totally break your vow or samaya or like that. It happens. So anyway, later you see totally makes you think totally opposite to Dharma. So the third year, so like that. This 20th century, unbelievable, most unbelievable danger, harm. Really danger to the not just ordinary people, but even great lamas, great geshes, who has a vast understanding philosophy. Occupy their mind. And because so many disciples followed him, so they want to occupy the great lamas, geshes, occupy the mind, so that more disciples, more people practice. So for that. So it seems like great danger in the 20th century. It seems like that. That's why I read this first, what I mentioned in the scripture. There are also like obstacles like this. So you're trying to make charity, trying to give something to collect merit, certainly then, and muzzleness or something rises and stops making charity. Also, that's one example, but morality, many things. So really you have to understand that many this didn't exist before, but this 20th century now, this ars or karma. This our karma in this century. Tibe, teaching rese butum shabdi, tebde, kodo. Kim the ya? Timon, strongly. What? Chada, Kim the ya? Okay. Kim the Chada. Ah. Yeah, I brought this morning, but I didn't have time to read my notes. Yeah, but I should read that, but because I don't remember. Anyway, this is not only Hisuna Jalama who, himself, Tomo, when he reached when I became monk monastery, the Tomo Geshe's monastery, where I became monk. So Hisuna is, there he wrote short prayer to that project, because he answered to not go India, to go back to Tibet, so that helped a little bit about Tibet. So the Hisuna wrote short prayer. So then, so Hisuna has been doing puja and they reciting Tingul and that for some time, for some years, and then His Holiness was going to take the Sogde live commitment from Jabjetian, which my Lama Surukuru there. Then bad science happened, and then explained Jabjetian, which did happen. Then His Holiness agreed to stop taking the initiation of that. And then didn't take initiation. So recited the prayer Tingul for some time, then stopped. Still recite for some time, but stopped. So His Holiness did so much checking. Then found many facts. There happened 6-7 lamas in Tibet. Great lamas, like one sun rising in the world, and that dispelled all the darkness in the world. Animals, people, everything enjoys. So that, like that, great lamas. Kachin Yeshi Chalchen and Tokunchi Nyema, then Benjamin, which is some of the lives, and then because I don't remember Long the Lama Rinpoche and the 50 Dalai Lama, the 13 Dalai Lama, I don't remember that, but there are more lamas, but the major lama, there's about 6-7, who was top, very famous, who advised to the monastery to not practice, or to write down the constitution monastery to not practice. So a lot. So the common Tibetan people do not know that the other lamas happened already in Tibet and asked to not practice, and had a question as so so the general public, and they think only His Holiness is Buddha Dalai Lama is the only one who stopped, and then they get anger, heresy, unbelievable. So it is said that if you who don't have bodhicitta, you get angry to a bodhicitta, we get angry to who has bodhicitta, then you see 1 second anger rises to a bodhisattva, you who don't have bodhisattva, to one who has a bodhicitta. Then 1,000 eons 1,000, not 1,000 years, 1,000 eons of Gawa Tongdo Sabai Jindan Deshe Cholas Gijiji Jombaches. You rise heresy, Tongdo Sabai Jindan Deshe Cholas Gijiji Jombaches. So 1 second anger rises. Just 1 second. One movement. What is it? Shortest one. Shortest. Huh? Keji. Huh? One. Not 1 second. So, huh? Not 1 second. Even particles of second. So anyway, So 1 second, you rise anger to a bodhisattva, to a bodhisattva, then destroys merit collected by you for 1,000 years ago, charity and so forth with the sentient beings, and then made offering to Buddhas. So one merit collected 1,000 the service of 1,000 eons, merit collected get destroyed. By rising anger to a bodhisattva, 1 second get destroyed. So that, of course, that means not dedicated to achieve enlightenment. That not only that is not filled with emptiness, but not dedicated for enlightenment. So then completely destroys, like burned rice. Burned rice cannot grow. So. Like that, so much, so just bodhisattva, 1 second angry, or the 1,000 eons, merit get destroyed, what you collected with sentient being Buddha. And then 1,000 eons, you have to be reborn in the lower realm, in the hell. Probably Namne or inexhaustible hell realm, or however, so you were born and suffer in the hell for 1,000 eons. And then your realization, what you're going to achieve, for example, you're going to achieve bodhicitta tomorrow or realize emptiness tomorrow, then put off, then delay for 1,000 eons, you delay. So three shortcomings. So in that bodhisattva, the 1,000 eons merits get destroyed by rising anger to bodhisattva for 1 second. Like that. So if bodhisattva like this, then there's Buddha. Then there's Buddha, higher than that. See, use 1 second heresy, rising anger and heresy to Buddha. Can you imagine the worse than numberless Buddhas getting angry and heresy? You understand? That's unbelievable, so dangerous. That could be, I don't know, 100,000 or millions, I don't know, humans. Wow. Then after that, there's Guru. Generally checking, generally checking who has no Dhamma connection to that person, but Guru of that person, you know. So as we, even if he's an ordinary person, but even it's an ordinary person, but for that disciple who has Dhamma connection with that, so for his mind, for him, or that person who is his guru, or then rising anger and heresy to the guru 1 second, or then numberless Buddha rising anger and heresy. That's smaller. You can compare to Bodhisattva, wow, rising anger heresy, Buddha, wow. The shortcomings, wow. 100,000, a million, I don't know. If you rise anger, destroy merits, 100,000 or a million, I'm not sure. I haven't seen in the text on that basis. Bodhisattva, you get heresy anger 1 second, then 1,000 eons merit you collect with centimeter Buddha destroyed. So on that basis, then how much you create Nigirkama with the Buddha, then how much Nigirkama you create arising heresy anger 1 second to Guru. So for your Guru, not the world Guru, other people Guru, your Guru, that you is Dhammakarasa. So the largest will be unbelievable, most humble to you, to other sentiments, whom you have to help, whom you have karmic connection, especially whom you have karmic connection, whom you have to help. Then you can't help because your marriage get destroyed. So your marriage, there are millions of eons, millions or more than millions of eons, I don't know, zillion eons, marriage get destroyed. And that many eons you have and the hell, suffer, heavy suffering. Then delay the realization for million, zillion eons, like that. On the basis of what I explained with the Chabadara, on the beginning of Amritamo, it mentions same. Oh, like that. So, but even though in the Guru devotion, the jargon, if you make mistake in the following the Guru, then the 8 shortcomings. Lama image and the jargon never. Lama Trism Jena. Lama Trism Jena. Lama, if you build the Guru, then you build all the Buddhas, number of Buddhas. You can create that in the Kama. Lama Trism Jena, Tekijime Chananyama Kawa Nyeva Java. If you get angry, Trism Jena, if you get angry to the Guru, how many seconds you got angry, that many eons, you know, you have to be reborn in the eon and in the hell, in the Narak. That many number of eons, how many seconds you get into Guru, that many number of eons you're born in hell. As I mentioned in the 8 shortcomings, I make a mistake in that rely on Guru. No, so like that. So there's so basis of what Bodhichabhatara Lamrichama mentioned is, so then if you go up from that, then it's I don't know, millions and zillions, all of that. So that's something to check. I did ask you to get into the young Rinpoche teacher, or the now is not getting to yet, so Changde Chuche. I asked him, he said not 1 second, but maybe few seconds. But in the teaching is 1 second. It is said 1 second, not few seconds. When it is teaching is mentioned, not a few seconds, not minute to get angry. It says 1 second. Kawatongo Sabaye. Kawatongo Sabaye, Jinante Churras, Kajiki, so much. So that. So like that, what I'm saying is that so the general public, you see, do not know that many of the lamas in Tibet, great lamas, explained advice in the considered monastery to not to practice. And then then they get angry to His Holiness and Ras Heresy and all that. Then unbelievable. The merits, so many the eons merits get destroyed, and delay the realization of all the mistakes. It explained with Jabdaram suffer. So this is us during the century our karma. As I said, Jajaponga and Jabjitambach. So Jajaponga is a great Bodhisattva, no question, and also great Hiruka. So this, amazing. So the particular the many people follow. So these, like the story I mentioned, the Maras, and so they took then this occupied the great High Lamas, then to harm the teaching Buddha, the particular Lama Tsongkhapa teaching, and then all the so much. So it's not that they have mistakes. Same as many things. For example, yes, Buddha, yes, but then you have to show this way. This road is not good. Please go this way. Please go to hospital to take medicine to check, or don't eat this food because this problem. You have to. There's so many things. Guru manifests ordinary aspect, ordinary being. Having ignorance and attachment. So then you have to treat, you have to explain all these things. That's so not only Shukadana, there's so full of this, so many other things too that you have to explain Guru, like that. So the morning, Shakyamuni Buddha, no, there's no death, no sickness, and no death, all these things. Enlightened numberless eons ago, but show the 12 deeds performing showing the holy deeds, 12 things, 12 deeds. So all these things. So like that, similar. What the Buddha did, Buddha show pain, hidden pain with enlightened numberless events ago, but no pain, but show pain, and then also explain the karma. For the sentient people, for us, have strong faith in karma. So that, so therefore, there's a Paunga Jepchen is a true temper aspect, short aspect, true temper. Then many of the lamas don't practice, like Jabjilin, which is same in disciple of Papunga, disciple of Papunga, but not practice. And there are many lamas who don't practice, great lamas who don't practice. There's some lamas who practice. So there's some lamas practice because great guru, Jabjilin, so then they practice. So many strong guru devotion, then without much checking, then just practice. Or they think that the lamas, the benefit is so much for the teaching Buddha, for the sending, is because of Turkey, because Sudan. So like that, you see, then practice. Mainly believing the Guru, so that not checking how it is for you, not checking, then mainly like that. So many like that. So so here so the so many of the geishas, so many of the practitioners, lamas, at the time of death, not everyone, not everyone, not everyone, but many at the death time. Shows there. At the death time, the Taya shooting shows harms at the death time. At the death time, some terrible things happens. Terrible thing happens. Even my guru, Lama Ishe, when he was passing by, because we have been used to our reciting prayer, when something problem happens, and then recite the tingle, the short prayer of the Tejje shooting. So, on the Lama passing way, so stomachs are moving something. Then attachment said, "What do you know to recite this?" Then Lama showed the aspect with that big eyes. Showed the aspect showed the aspect of frightened, big eye. And then at the time of that, and then after that passed away. So that needs the example, but there are many other stories at the time of death. Really gives heavy, many lamas it gives at the time of death it harms a lot. So just quick, just a nice stop there. So one does, the other fall from the car, or the time of the last time, then great obstacle happens, and so the one lay person, I don't know his name, I have story written here. So the person practiced to tell his wife, he practiced so much, he keeps secrets from his wife. And then when he was dying, he asked his wife to do the tea offering in the temple. Sent the wife. Only the wife came to know that he was practicing this Tejje. And then very last breath, that shouldn't show ordinary form, spirit, totally very poor, very spiritual form. Or his own form, spirit, not the normal spirit form. And then the person, he practiced so much. Then he realized she was completely cheated. She was totally cheated. He expressed. Then he died. He was completely changed his mind. So that's just one example. So that's. Dage jinye zabe gewa de dandan roa gunla game cheba jezul an dabaye dembe nyamba rendo So here what I said, to not get heresy, anger towards Japonga, like many other mistakes or the ordinary form to the show mistake. same to our karma, your mistaken mind, showing appearance to that. So, showing aspect, Sultemba, very much protect your life, protect you from the hell realm, putting downhill to protect Sultemba. Tibetan word Sultemba, showing aspect. That should bring here. Otherwise, then criticize. Somebody criticizes you, some other song criticizes you, some other criticizes you. Finish. Okay, that's all. Thank you.